Okay, hear me out. Circumstances are real. I get it. You feel them, you see them, and many times you get triggered by them. So they are real, yes. The 3D is real, but guess what? They're temporary and they can change. This is what we mean when we say the 3D is not real. It's not about ignoring or suppressing your feelings. It's not about pretending like this is not happening or it's not hurting you. It's about understanding that what is happening right now is not forever. People change, circumstances change, nothing is set in stone. Things are changing all the time. If you're manifesting an SB and they tell you that they don't love you or they want to be with someone else, great, let them. Leave them alone and just work on you. If you desire to be with that person, it's totally possible, but don't focus on them. Just focus on loving yourself, loving your life. Genuinely keep yourself busy with work, your friends, your hobbies. And if you're really emotionally distraught, regulate yourself. Do nervous system exercises. EFT tapping is one of them, and I teach this inside my program, Become Magnetic, which you should totally join because it's on sale right now. And so many people have shared their wins just by regulating their emotions. Trust me, it makes the manifesting journey so much easier and more effortless. You're not fighting with what's happening. You're not fighting with yourself. You're learning how to release resistance, and from that space, you manifest your desires easily. Okay, thank you for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you tomorrow.